Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to log in to Telegram Web on a Windows 11 computer. Easily, safely, and without installing anything at all. If you're someone who prefers using Telegram directly in your browser instead of downloading an app, then this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. Then, open your favorite web browser. You can use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, or any browser that you like. Now, in the address bar at the top, type in the official Telegram web link, web.telegram.org. Then press enter on your keyboard. Now you'll be asked to log in to your Telegram account. There are two ways to do this, either by scanning a QR code or using your phone number. As discussed, we will log in using phone number. So click Login in by phone number. On the login page, click on the option that says Login by phone number. Choose your country from the drop-down list. Enter your phone number that's linked to your Telegram account. Click Next. Telegram will send a verification code to your mobile Telegram app or as an SMS. Enter the code, and once verified, your account will open on the web. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chat list, just like on your phone. From here, you can send and receive messages, join channels or groups, share media and documents, and use Telegram just like you do on the app, right from your browser. There's no need to install anything, and everything stays synced with your phone in real time. And that's it. You've successfully logged in to Telegram Web on Windows 11. It's fast, it's easy, and it works just like the Telegram app. This is a great option if you're using a shared computer, a public PC, or just want to access your chats quickly without installing the desktop version. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to like, share, and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.